You've been sitting on the sideline for way too long now, and I'm here to send you the message that it's time to move. There's no better time for us in this day and age, right here, right now, where anything that we want to put into fruition, whatever idea, whatever vision we have, has never been easier. And I'm not here to sell you some fluff or to give you some misguidance, but you can either lock in now and be left behind, and you have the choice, because with the tools and the systems that we have today that we can use at such a cheap cost, all we really need is an internet signal. So if you've got these ideas that you've been procrastinating on for what seems to be forever, and you don't know how to move forward, you're not sure what direction to go in, you need to start outlaying, or should I say outlining, the direction you want to go, or you're going to let these dreams and these visions that you've had become just an idea. And again, I need for you to understand that there really is no better time than now. And with work, dedication and commitment, you can be living the life of your dreams. Again, I'm not here to sell you some get-rich-quick scheme or something that's going to change your life overnight. But what I can guarantee you is that with work and within a short period of time, you will finally be getting traction and movement and some kind of structure and layout and direction in which way you want to go. And that in itself is freeing. So you have the choice. You have the choice. Are you going to follow societal norms? Or are you going to take the reins and create your own life? Because each and every one of us has an idea. At some point in our lives, we've had an idea. Maybe the time wasn't right then, but there's no better time than now. The rain's coming down. So we either let the rain get us down, or we learn to dance in the rain. So if you're watching this video, you're seeking more, you're wanting more, so start today. If you're needing any guidance, help, support or systems that you can use today, right now, and start moving forward in the direction you want to live, the only thing that is stopping you is the mind, or the structure that you've led to believe that is true, that we need to work a job, we need to work a 9 to 5, and we need to conform. It's all bullshit. It's all bullshit. And as soon as you can switch the mindset of understanding that it is all bullshit and that you're going to take control of your own life, I promise you that your life is going to change sooner than you may realise. So again, that's the point of my videos, is not to show you Lamborghinis, not to show you money on the table or anything like that, but I'm here to try and help those who are seeking and wanting more out of their lives, and I can help you. So if you are interested, you can reach out to me in the description, or you can explore the links and go and check them out for yourself. By all means, dive head first into it. See how you feel, work your way through it. You will gain the structure and you will gain the guidance faster than any marketing agency, any mentor, any cost that you will go and spend outsourcing to try and get your dreams and your passions going. I will even build the system for you if you wish. But like I say, do not hang around, do not sleep on this. Today is the day you can start changing your life And this time next year, you might remember this video and think, that was a turning point for me. I took it, I acted, and now I'm so glad that I did. So again, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you could subscribe, that'd be amazing. And have a look, have a navigate around, see how you feel. Have a look at what we're building here. And we'll separate ourselves from the norm. Let's do things different. Let's start creating our lives instead of living somebody else's life or building somebody else's dream. I'll catch you on the next video.